Hello everyone. I've decided that making videos, trying to be perfect, isn't the best thing, so I'm just going to start recording like this. As the shed gets better, then you're going to see much better quality. Today I've bought myself something just off the cuff because I've been looking at it for a few days and I'm really excited. It's the Meta Ray-Bans. So yeah, I've been waiting all day at work for this. I didn't finish work early just to go and get them. So these are the Wayfarer Gen 2s. Ray-Ban Meta collection features camera, open ear audio and pairs with the companion app to edit and share your content. Let's unbox it and see what it's all about. So they're satisfying, all in one go. In one go, yes. Oh, look at that. Satisfying. Oh, they look good. They look really good. Oh, the case feels really premium, really like it. It's just like the Ray-Ban case that you get on most of their glasses, to be fair. See there, we've got the little indicator light there, USB-C, and a button at the back. So in the box as well, we get a nice Ray-Ban cleaning cloth. I haven't had to use it yet, but I can imagine that people with the shiny gloss version are going to need it a lot more than I am. Let's open this for the first time. Ooh, little red light. I believe this pairs the device, so I'm not going to pull that out yet, but what I will do is I'll stop recording on the phone and we'll start pairing. Let's get this up, double click to install. There's the face. Ray-Bans. Remove the protective tab, set up your glass properly. Tab is gone. Searching. Boom. Continue. Put on your glasses. Hello everybody. That light's a bit strange in the corner. It's just off centre enough that you notice it, but it's not in the way. Press the caption button again to stop recording. Well, this is the first video on the Meta Ray-Bans. So touch the touchpad once to play some musica. Wow, okay. The music's actually really good. I'll test this later with some decent music. This is just... Oh, snap. That gets really loud. Just testing the Meta AI. It says, hey Meta, what am I looking at? Let's try again. Hey Meta, what am I looking at? Takes this sound.
Tablet and headphones in the background. I may also use your interests, location, and profile to provide more relevant responses.
Okay. So it picked up that I had a phone in my hand and it picked up the tablet behind, but it picked up a picture of some headphones on this box and thought they were real headphones. But I'll forgive it for that, you know, we're in a darkish environment. Let's get Apple Music connected. Hey Meta, shuffle ultimate playlist. Okay, so I literally had to press one button, connect to Apple Music. Okay, so I literally pressed one button. The DJI decided to die, so I might as well use the glasses to record this bit. Connected Apple Music, done some bits in that. I do have Audible, but I'm not going to bother with that just yet. Phone set up, WhatsApp set up. I'm not going to set these up just yet. And then I've set up my voice settings, so I've got my own personal voice now. Set up Apple Health. I don't have these two, so let's finish the setup. Okay, that was a little bit annoying. The DJI Nano overheated, which has never happened before. It is quite hot in here. I've insulated the shed as you've seen in some of the videos, so that's probably why. Might need a little fan for it just to make sure that it's okay. But we're set up now. It's into 1.25.1. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go away, have a little play with them, and speak to you in a bit. Well, now the camera's cooled down, as the DJI overheated a little bit. It's given me a chance to charge up the case and the Ray-Bans and have a little play, and I've got to say they're pretty fantastic. Get these bad boys on. Ooh! There's a lovely little jingle as you put them on. So first thing that I've got to mention is the audio. Now I've connected Apple Music and I've got to say it's fantastic. It's easily perfect for commuting, going around the gym and just trying to be low key while you're listening to your tunes. Full volume's great for me, but I've tried it on someone else. And you can hear it from a distance. So I find probably about 40% is the sweet spot where you can hear the music nicely, but other people can't hear it around you. Now there is Meta AI, and I've tried it, but I tried to use it with Apple Music and I asked it to shuffle certain playlists, and it kept saying to me I can't play and shuffle at the same time. So the workaround was you have to ask it to play a playlist and then ask it to shuffle. But that led me into discovering something else, is that it actually works with Siri. So if I say to Siri, hey, play that certain playlist or shuffle that certain playlist, or any command that you'd give Siri, it will work because the microphone is picking that up. The ones I've got here are clear to a grey transition, which I think are better because I'd like to use it in this setting, which I am now, so recording unboxings and things like that. But then when I go out driving, or if I'm out and I want to use them, then it's seamless in and out from clear to sunglasses. Okay, so this is just the shed as it is, and you can hear the audio from the Metas. Tell me what you think. So this is in a normal, well lit environment. I'm going to take the controller for the light now. So this is representing some sort of low light. Nothing on print at the moment. Now there's a stigma attached to these glasses, obviously people with privacy and things like that, and I can reassure you I won't be covering up the indicator light. I think you're an idiot if you do that. I think you're just downright disgraceful. There's a whole reason for this light, this side, and that is so other people know that you're recording. And if you're doing things legitimately, you haven't got to worry. And if anyone cares, anyone says anything, just take them off. Not that big a deal. So why did I get these glasses? So I've got a holiday coming up and I've got DJI Nano, I've got action cameras and I've got my phone, but it just never feels like they're readily accessible, and I don't want to be walking around with a action camera strapped to my hat or to my chest. These serve a function, and they also have a separate function to allow me to catch some great memories. There are many reasons why I think these glasses are great. I've never had a wearable like this before, so we'll see how it goes and I'll give you an update video in a couple of weeks. If you're considering getting a pair, comment down below, let's have a chat about it, and I can tell you my experience as we go along. So as we finish off, everybody, you can see I'm recording in these. I just wanted to say thank you for watching. Please subscribe and comment below. Let's have a conversation. Have a good one. Crazy. It's a light on the ceiling. Where is it?